Welcome to our channel. Today we how to automate invoicing with QuickBooks easy tutorial step by step clearly. To automate invoicing with QuickBooks, first, log into your QuickBooks account. Once logged in, navigate to the dashboard. On the left sidebar, click on the Sales tab. Now, select Invoices from the drop-down menu. In the Invoices section, look for the option that says Create Invoice. Click on it to start setting up your invoice template. Fill in the necessary details such as customer name, invoice date, and due date. Next, add the products or services you want to include in the invoice. Ensure that all amounts are correctly entered and your invoice total reflects the correct charges. Once you've completed the invoice, locate the Save and Send button. Before sending, find the option that allows you to automate this invoicing process. Look for the Recurring Invoice feature, which might be under a Settings or Options menu. Toggle the Make Recurring option to Yes. Next, customize the recurrence schedule according to your needs, such as daily, weekly, or monthly. Specify the end date for the recurring invoices, if necessary. Review your settings, ensuring that all details are accurate. After verifying, click on Save Template or Save and Close. Now your invoicing process is automated and will send invoices based on the schedule. You're all set to enjoy streamlined invoicing with QuickBooks. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the Reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the Reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.